Hi everybody, I'm Master Lukey, and I'm here today with a quick video to demonstrate yet another use for the amazing DINO Buns. Woohoo! What would you do with your DINO Bun? Yeah, let's go! Right out of the toaster oven. I'm calling this New York Bagel with cream cheese. Wow. The cream cheese, of course, is not made from cattle, but actually macadamia nuts. If you want this recipe, it's in the Symbio Life Kitchen Explosion ebook by John Schott, and he gave me permission to pass that out for free. All you need is a Vitamix to make it creamy like this, and some specialty ingredients. And there you have it. New York Bagel with cream cheese. And it's actually DINO Buns. No wheat, no dairy, no gluten, no casein, no cancer. Oh my God. Cream cheese. Another one in the oven. There's a bite missing. Oh my God, who did that? I'm gonna give this to my dad and see what he thinks.
Okay. It's still spongy, you know that, right?
Okay. Not toasted enough?
No. And the cream cheese is what now?
Macadamia nuts.
Wow. That's expensive. Are they all from Hawaii or from different places now? There used to be a Hawaiian thing.
The king. We call it the king of nuts.
Right. Fat. Good,
Healthy fat.
good natural, healthy fat. Yes. I tell people watching this that I'm 80 years old. This is why I look so bad.
You're actually 40.
There was a time when I was young and healthy, 6-pack. Actually, I had a 12-pack. That's how good I was.
Wow. But
Went from here all the way down to here.
But you're very active at 80.
Well,
I would attribute that to your healthy
you mean I'm
lifestyle.
still alive, yes. Right. I'm standing up.
You're doing construction every day.
You know, when you gotta do something, you gotta do it. You know? No matter how old you are. And it keeps me moving.
But you've been
Yeah,
taking.
if you would toast this up a little more, it was good. I like what's the spice in it? Macadamia nuts and then what? There's something else in it. Like a vinegar in it or something? Or?
Oh, lemon?
Is it lemon? Okay.
There's lemon in there.
Is there honey
cheese.
in there at all? No. Real cream cheese? Who said cream cheese?
I mean, it's macadamia nut cream cheese, yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm saying it. So it's just basically lemon and macadamia nuts and
Salt, I think maybe nutritional yeast, but maybe not.
Well, it's suggested for me. My
olive
taste,
oil.
My taste is maybe a little sweeter and a little less lemon. And
Yeah, I put extra lemon in because I had extra.
yeah, well, you got to make it acceptable to people's taste, and you don't add stuff because you have too much of it.
Yeah.
Okay, so.
More than 4,000 flights have already been delayed or canceled today. America's biggest and busiest airport.
Yeah.
LaGuardia, JFK, and Newark. Look at the closing numbers on Wall Street this afternoon. Here's
Glad you like it. I'll toast it out more.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go bake some more buns.
Did you finish that order you had?
He ordered more. Another $5 you spent.
How much are we making from that?
I haven't done the math. I don't know if it's anything yet.
That's what they want, right?
You treat them like a lady. That's what you do.
They don't even know that's what they want. Most of them, they don't even know. Once they experience it, then they know.
That's exactly right.
That's true. Not everybody.
I dated,
Like us, Joe.
I lost my virginity in Alaska when I was in the Army. Janet Simmons. Or Rose, I can't remember her name. Was it Rose? I think it was Rose. A big farm girl who was in Alaska for teaching with us.
Uh-oh.
Yes, very nice. I could have fallen in love, but I didn't. So. And this was in 1966. No, 1965 going into 66. That's what I met.
You're a mind reader.
We dated for a couple of months, then she went home. Went back to Idaho, wherever she lived. When the towers, she knew I was a cop. When the towers fell down in 2001, right?
She said that reminded her of...
I hadn't spoken to her.
All my tires caved in.
I hadn't spoken to her since
I gotta call him.
1968. I hadn't spoken to her in 31 years.
Yeah?
She called my home in 2001 and wanted to know if I was okay.
Was that her first time too? You don't know?
No.
Oh, you got practice on the planes, right? You got some practice on the planes.
She talked to Anita. This is so fun, I know your husband's a friend of mine a long time ago. I want to know if he was a cop. Is he okay? Yeah, they had a little conversation.
Yeah.
Now that's what happens when you treat a person like you want to be treated. Special.
He ain't going to you, Luke. All that fucking nice stuff.
Be genuine. Don't listen to anybody when it comes to dating. Just be yourself. Be genuine. You're a nice guy. Treat him with respect.
You know why, Luke? Because you're too busy thinking about 45-degree angles and fucking this, that. You're missing your step. You already missed your fucking jab because you weren't acting off instinct.
45 degrees. Penis angle? We're talking about penis angle, that kind of thing? I don't know what you mean by that.
No.
According to science.
According to all his different theories that this guy says, oh, you're supposed to stand 45 degrees in a girl. You're supposed to...
No.
This is that. He's losing his step. He's missing the jab.
Don't listen to these people. I dance a tango. With women, some are married twice. All the women, 40s, 50s, 60s, 70s even, your mother's age, right? I dance with them.
Even his own age.
You know,
10 years younger than him, he'll go down.
Do you know, I'm one of the favorite dancers in every place I go, because they know me. Why? Because I treat them, when I'm dancing with them, in my mind I'm making love to them.
And it's okay on a damn tango room. They say everyone can get away with it.
Sinatra, one of his songs, he says that the lyric is, dancing is making love set the music. When you're dancing with a woman, I'm not talking about action shit, I'm talking about fox.
You don't do like that.
Like this, when you're close like this. When you're walking with them like this, in my mind I'm thinking to myself, I'm making love to her. And that's how you treat them. You hold them tight and treat them. And you keep them, and
they love everything about it. You make love with everything you do.
Treat them special. That's what you need to do. How do you get along? I mean, it's a sexual. It's sexual. But how do you treat them? Do you treat them?
No, it's not.
Take care of him.
He's nice to her.
I've read many reports, different, articles in women's magazines. I was thumbing through them and I come to an article. There's an article written by, they interviewed New York City women. And most times, they would rather cuddle than have sex. They want the comfort. They want the protection. Do you think they want a guy, when they're walking on the street, when there's a confrontation or some sort of danger, to go like this? No, they want protection. They want to know that you're there for them. That's what you need.
All the girls, there's this hot Colombian chick at the gym that he works at. Always checking him out. Because he's the coach. And
if you treat them, especially...
he don't see that.
Especially Spanish.
Well, he does, but he sees too much.
Because they live in a very macho society, very macho, right?
Yeah.
And the men don't treat their women good at all. As a matter of fact, when I was a young cop, I saw a lot of guys that I knew who scored right on post. They would meet people like that and they let right away. Because the women used to be treated like women special. We would say, hey, I came in there, we put
women white.
Yeah.
I get a lot of good...
Because they used to beat them up. They used to beat them up.
They're friends because they appreciate somebody.
Yeah. And a lot of guys, a few guys I know married Puerto Rican girls. They met them on the beat and they wanted to marry, had family and everything. Treat others like you want to be treated. Women especially. What they are is all little girls. They want daddy.
You can spank them a little bit.
Well, if they're dead.
That's why Luke, he always wants to get on footage. He's got that thing with his footage, because we figured out why though. It's for,
legal reasons.
What's the word? Liability.
What footage? What are you talking about footage?
He never told you that?
Film everything.
Yeah, no one told you? Right. I didn't mean to have the camera there.
Okay. So
I thought that was open too.
You film your relationship?
I would like to. You know.
You want to film?
You have to be a low budget porn star.
Is that true? You want to get into that?
He does it for, he wants us for education.
It's not going to end well.
For education purposes. I don't know what the call is. You talked about it on YouTube. I'm sorry.
Because all the woman's got to do is lodge a complaint and there's evidence.
No, see, that's what
we're talking about, the liability.
To be on film, they have to sign a waiver.
Well, you serious about making sexual films with women?
Well,
holy crap.
He doesn't do it with the same fucking
I do
attention as other people. Listen.
I do
This is weird. In a good way, yes.
An ancient
Technique.
practice, yes, which is called retention.
Right.
And
I did that too.
I do it too. Well, I did it. Not anymore, but I did it.
I have to.
Where you make sure, look, when it comes to making love to a woman, you have a lot of experience with, your number one job is to make them happy. Which means
You gotta laugh.
you gotta last. And my father only said it in a different context. He says, when all else fails, use your head.
It wasn't talking about getting the OG.
He wasn't talking about your penis head.
What's your
You gotta make sure they're satisfied.
Is your dad name Joe?
And you can't, it's not, they're not receptacles. They're human beings. And I always make sure that they felt not only comfort, but I appreciated them. I used to thank them when we were finished. That's one of the reasons why I got dates from girlfriends I dated, girls I dated. Because I treated them special. And then I used to
I went to every roommate I ended up getting with.
Yeah.
And they were all cool with it. It was a whole circle of them I ended up.
My name is, you're looking a step from here, but I'm sure you are.
And we all had our day in the see?
I know. He was stuck with his boiled dog.
I just had to get him so he wouldn't bark and you wouldn't kick us out. Cheers.